Hey yo, it's Daniel, and today I'm reviewing the Ninja 8-in-1 air fryer countertop version, the flip up, which I'll show you in just a second. But I've had this for about 2 years now, and as you can kind of tell, I cleaned it up a little bit, but the inside is still well used. And this is actually in an RV. We had it at our house, but we put it in our RV. And it works very well in RV, and the only reason we put it in RV is because we got one for our house as well. But love it, and it is about the only thing we use in our RV. But let's go ahead and show you some of the features here. So first off, it has this little flip down window. Sorry, it's a little dirty. Like I said, it's very heavily used because we use it a lot. And then, well, first off, I'm going to show you this. I love how that slides out. So you can place, it will actually hold a pizza, which is one of the main reasons that we bought it, because it will hold up an entire pizza there. I think a 12-inch, I believe. But then you can put the pizza on there and slide it right in or slide it right out when it's hot. It has your air fryer tray, which you can put, anything, fries, chicken nuggets, whatever you want, and it actually kind of sits in a little channel there, and it goes in, and then you hit air fry. And then another cool thing about this is it has this little pan that you can put things on and put in there as well. Or if you have something that you think may drip from the tray, you can put that pan below it and still use it. I'm actually just going to put these back in there and show the rest of this. Sorry, it's a little low. Put that up, and to start, all you do is just press the little button. You choose which option you want to go to. Air fry. I'll just show you the different options here. And I mean, it has so many options. I love it. I will do air fry just for now. And to change that, all you do is hit time, and that's how you change the time right there. It's a little dial, which is really nice, super easy to do. And if you want to change the temperature, you hit temperature, and then you can, with the dial, you can go up and down. Very intuitive. Has a light here, as you can kind of see, and super dirty, like I said, but and then to start it, all you do is once you have your settings in there, you just hit the button. It preheats for usually about 30 seconds, and it gets the temperature super quick, and it's a really fast air fryer. And all these other options as well. It does toast very well, does bagels, preheat, bake. I've tried them all, and they're all very, very good. And then if you want to just turn it off, you hit turn off. And one other really cool feature about this, especially in an RV or on your kitchen counter, is that it flips up. Well, I got to slide it out just a bit to make room, but it flips up. All right, there we go. Flips up, and you see all the counter space we have now, which is really nice. It's a little dirty, but I love that it flips up to make a lot more counter space. But to be honest, I don't have any. Oh, one other feature to clean it out. Sorry, it's really dirty. Clean it out. That's how you do it. Easy to clean out. But to be honest, I don't have any complaints about this, and I definitely recommend this product.